Hello, namaskar, adab to all my wonderful YouTube fam. I know it's been a while. I've been wanting to bring you many more recipes like we used to earlier. But with the pandemic, my little baby girl, my work commitments, it's been a little difficult. But nevertheless, let me start by saying a big thank you to all of you for your continuous love and support. We are 3 million, guys! What a journey this has been. All I want to say is please continue to make the best use of all the recipes, fitness and yoga videos that we have on this channel, and do share some of your quickest, yummiest and healthiest recipes with me. And this is the big news now. The best recipes will make it to my YouTube channel. That's so exciting. I am so looking forward to see what you're going to give us. And tab tak ke liye, with a heart full of love and gratitude, swasth raho, mast raho, aur kya? Haste raho.